Greetings, Sense Daniels here. I want to give a quick talk about Kantu Chrome extension. You can find it at a9t9.com. I am not affiliated with them in any way, so there's no no conflict of interest here. The interest in my case is to get a good tool better. And one of the things that's really good about Kantu is that it's relatively easy to get started. And you can see on the left-hand side over here, there's a number of demos: demo canvas, demo computer vision, etc., etc. And you can run these. And let me see if you can run these as a full macro. Let's play the macro and you can watch it in action. I'm not doing anything with the mouse. You can lift to the left side and all kinds of things just happened very quickly. And I will open up this file here, and it will show, hopefully, that a whole bunch of data has just been pulled remotely from a web page. And in this case, it is the first two columns of currency data. Be it known that you cannot get the header rows of this currency data or of the CSV files, and that requires you, the user, to know what the headers are. That's a feature or a bug I discovered early on. So that gives you an idea as to what Kantu Chrome extension can do. The demos are handy. Cons: it's a steep learning curve, and there's very limited training. And you will struggle, unless you are a Selenium expert, you will struggle to get started with anything meaningful. Let me give you an example, one that I just did this morning. I call this a performing search at A9T9. You can see it says forum A9T9. I'm going to step through this, and you're going to watch what I was able to create. Let me just clear out all of the logs. Yes, that's a wish. Let me go down to the wish. Clear all tab data with one click. So you got all these tabs down here: logs, variables, screenshots, CSV, etc. I don't know how to get rid of these. In fact, I'm not even sure what this is. Again, going back to the cons, there's no training videos. No training videos, which is what this tool really needs, because it claims to be a visual tool, but it's clearly written by programmers who don't use GUI very much. So my wish list, where was my wish list? Right here. Clear all tabs with one click. Clear, I'm clearing the logs. Clear, there's no clearing of variables. Can I move these tabs? No, I can't move the tabs. Screenshots, you can clear. CSV, got all these CSVs that I've imported. There's no way of removing all of these CSVs at once. Let me tab data with one click. Clear old CSV with one click. And back to our demo, which is where we started. Demos. So I will start this simple screen capture tool. This is a script that I wrote. This is a script that I created, and I'll make a demonstration of how I created it in another video. What this will do is that it's going to open the A9 forum. It's going to click on the search button. It's going to then perform a search, and the search term is test. In fact, we'll change this to value test. We'll call this, now we'll search for Firefox. There we go. We'll search for Firefox. I'm on Chrome for what it matters, but we'll search for Firefox. And that is about the extent of it. All of this is done, and then at the end, it will create a screenshot called, oh, stop, I don't know what I just did. Double-clicking, double-clicking started the script for me. That was not intended. And it still appears to be running. It is running. Stop. Okay, and what was the value here? Test. Oh, I'm going to call this test of Firefox search. Spell that correctly. Let's see, Firefox. Okay. Select. I don't know what that just did. Cancel. I don't know what that just did. Maybe that's part of the stepping of the macro. So I'm going to start this script from the top, and we click on step, which is very nice. We put that in the pros. Step through macro script. I can type, just not well. So I'm going to forum A9T9, and we're going to step through this macro. Step. You see that it is now changed to the forum. Step. It has now opened the search window. Step. Now, theoretically, it didn't change anything. I don't know why, but when I click step again, it puts in the search term, which is what I wanted. Now, I don't know how to tell Selenium to press the enter key to activate this particular search, so I cheated and went and clicked on show more, which is what it's going to do here. You see link show more, step, it clicks on the show more, and now I've got a list of Firefox search terms resulted. Now I'm going to step, and it's going to hopefully click on the first entry, which is this one. Step. Okay. Didn't do anything. We'll do it again. Step. Oh. I'm not sure what it just did. Step. And I've got an echo saying that it should have taken this. This is my message. Should have taken a screenshot, but the pink here tells me that maybe it didn't work. Let's see. No, it didn't work. In fact, it looks like it took a screenshot of the Kantu browser. And that's what it did. It did not take a screenshot of the web page. Why? Clear. And now we get to do some bug chasing, because it should have taken a screen capture of this page. All right, so let's step through it again just for giggles. This is how we learn to use Kantu because there's no other training videos available to learn how to do it. So let's do it together. Yay. Step. Now it should reload the page. It does. Step. It's going to open the search window. Step. I clicked inside the search window. Okay. Step. Now puts in the Firefox search term. Yay. Step. It opened the show more. Step. I clicked on the search button again. That's what it did. Step. It opens. Let's do that one. Let's do that step again. Let's see if that works. Step. Didn't work. This Firefox file upload through file input is not available. Wow, terrible English there. I don't know if that's what came up last time, so let's do it again. Again, Kantu, you guys need to create some training videos. Let's step, and remember this, is Firefox file upload. Okay, step, it's gonna reload the page. Step, opens the search. Step, click in the search button in the search field. Step, enter Firefox. Step, show more. Step is Firefox file. That should be the one it opens. I don't know what it just did. Step, it did not open the top file. So what have we learned? Step, and now it's going to do a screenshot. Oh, encountered some error. The error is not clear, so let's take a look at my slideshow here and return to, there we go. And the other thing in terms of wish list is more informative bug fail information. And we might see something here in the logs. Scroll all the way down for the logs. Invalid file name search. Ah, okay, because it doesn't like my file name. Invalid file name. So no spaces. There should be a note here or something indicating that no spaces are allowed. Firefox search. Okay. And you know what? Let's just, for giggles, let's see if we can do it again. Variables, logs. Let's clear the logs. Let's clear the screenshots. Logs, clear. Screenshots, clear. And let's run this. And I'm going to play at full speed now because you know the routine. Play macro. All right, and that's done. You can see there's a new screenshot down here. What is a screenshot of? Blank. It didn't give it time enough to load. You can see that it got a screen grab of the load. Okay, so we learned a couple things. I learned a couple things. You need to give it some time to wait to do the screenshot. You can't use spaces in the target name. And Control M. What did we learn? What did we learn? Learned that target cannot have empty space in the string. We also learned screen grabs need a little time, need to load. Page needs to load entirely. How to set wait time. Hey, thanks for watching, and thanks to the Kantu people. It is an open source project, and if I was any kind of coder, I could go to GitHub and participate on making Kantu a better product. Right there, Kantu. But as I said, I'm not much of a programmer. But I am a user, and Kantu can definitely make it easier for me, the user, to use the tools. Again, thank you to the developers, and thank you, and happy computing.